How to adjust brightness on your Windows 11. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can adjust the brightness on your Windows 11. So, there are basically two ways on how you can adjust your screen brightness. The first one is on the bottom right side of the screen. You can see three settings: Wi-Fi, speaker, and battery. So simply click on it and then this type of pop-up will appear so if you see right over here, you can see a slider which indicates the screen brightness. So now you can play around with this slider and then you'll be able to adjust your brightness. And now this shows one way on how you can adjust your screen brightness. Now another way is by simply going to settings. After that, go to system on the left side of the screen. Now once you're on system, click on the first option, which is display, and then you can see the option brightness. So now you'll be again provided with a slider, and if you hover around the slider, you'll also be able to see the numerical value. So now you can adjust your brightness by sliding on the slider. So that is basically how you adjust brightness on your Windows 11. That is it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.